get it down first pass. Seatbelts fit you. Sorry? Bottle pressure was too high. Are you serious? Pardon?
First gear change, second gear change.
Sakes. Well, you rotary Corolla. What happened on that pass? There was no TPS, so the nitrous couldn't engage.
Yeah.
And going from first to third pulls it down too hard, it hurts it.
Yeah, that's right. I'm using a progressive nitrous thing and it needs that's one of the axes, and the TPS wasn't there, so the nitrous wouldn't turn on.
Yeah.
And the drop in from first to third's pretty high. Like it's a big drop.
Yeah.
Try and fix it at work, I think. Or doubtfully, yeah. I double punched the shifter and it went top. I think it'll hurt second.
Yeah.
I'll have one more go. If it actually leaves properly, it should run a 7 or something. Yeah. It felt like it was. It definitely fell on its face on the top gear shift.
Pardon?
It definitely fell on its face. Like when I changed the top gear.
You should have a nitrous button.
But I'll just run more RPM.
Just make a nitrous button and hold it at peak torque. What could possibly go wrong?
That's a rotary, there's no rods to bend.
We could go back, get by car, and instead of skipping second, we can just skip fourth.
Stupid Jacko.
Not the car, the gearbox. Not bad. Good size.
Really want to see that here at Lakeside.
Hold on.
It's not much bigger.
No.
Just drill it.
So how's it go down the track again, Scott? New jet. It works.
Wait, did they open the...
So in 7:45, missing second. Still impressive.
I think it would have taken a bit harder. I reckon 7 would have been doing.
So you've gone faster than I have in the VR, but you're on no prep and you're missing a gear. Thanks. I'm ready for home time. Yeah, I hate being around the fast people. Is this gonna take long? Day one is eventful so far. The second gear said no. Throttle position sensor keeps on playing up. We pulled up for Damo's VB. The water temp was getting to 120. I was sitting there just trying to make sure all the fans was working, and the fans was not working, and neither was that clamp. So, pop some water to my face. We're at the checkpoint. Still got a rag on my face. The burn still hurts. Well, we made it. It's the Django. Well, we just thought we'd have a quick break. Well, we made it to an important part of the destination. Alright, we made it out of Warwick. It's dark. It's night time. Don't know what time it is, but it's dark. We'll get camp set up and ready. I think it's a little bit later than 6, mate.
It was 6:30 when we got here.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
You can buy the sleeker from Road Fiction for 135 grand.
Pussy!
You hold it flat when you do it.
Day 2. What'd you find in the gearbox, Scott? Pardon? Gearbox things?
Yeah.
There's a valve body in there.
Yeah.
There's a 2-piece band in there.
So we're going 2-speed for the rest of the weekend.
Sick. At least you could get your hard launch off the line.
Yeah, probably broken axle. Well, as long as we've got one left, you can still kind of make it.
Exactly. We'll do power peggers up the road.
Yeah.
If it doesn't
Yeah, I'll
really,
look at the valve body back in.
Yeah.
Cool, really.
I'll have me breakfast. I'll chuck it back in.
Yeah.
I'll grab some cheese. Mint.
Yeah.
That might be the end of the box. Oh well.
Something about that. That plasterers, I don't know, something about that. All right.
Fair enough. It was really warm before. What happened?
Yeah, I was gonna win the event, but then the main thing.
Yeah, we nearly lost them. But day 2. This is a catastrophic day. Yep, so our campsite's pretty flooded. It was way worse before. Not good.
Do something.
I like the way it falls
There's like 7 missing gazebos.
Holy
Where'd
shit.
they go?
With the storm?
That way. I was hanging onto this corner and it hit me and this and just snapped it around.
Holy. Is the car okay?
Yeah, I got a mark on the bonnet.
Ah,
Annihilated this one.
yeah. Look, that it's dude.
Gazebo there. It's like a little cyclone went through here. We're everything.
Okay, you got the hard luck award.
Did you win an award, Scott?
Fucking
Show us.
fucking Hoffman.
Show us your trophy.
Look up. Look up.
No, hang on. You gotta let.
Day 3. Rotary Corolla's loaded up, ready to go home. Back down at the shop, unloading it because. What are you doing? Well, that's mean. Well, that's the end of that. Still got third. Scott went home. Pretty much as soon as he got to Willowbank, he went home, which is fair enough. It's been a big weekend. Shit just didn't go right, but it's racing. Can't get it perfect every time, so on our way back home now and figure out what we do for the next video. Here. Oh, you. Oh, we're both getting billet barras.
Now got your shoes on too.